Are you worried about the future of your retirement savings? With inflation, economic uncertainty, and stock market volatility, many American retirees are looking for ways to protect their wealth. And one of the best ways to do that is by using gold and silver. These precious metals have stood the test of time as a reliable store of value, and today they can offer you the peace of mind you need to secure your financial future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, there's a powerful tool I want to show you: gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are using them to protect their savings from the volatile market and inflation, and it's something you can explore right now. To find out why so many people are turning to gold IRAs, click the first link in the description for a free guide and consultation. Now, let's dive into why using gold and silver to protect your retirement savings is so effective, and why a gold IRA is the best option for most retirees. First off, gold and silver have a proven history of maintaining value, even in times of economic downturns. When the stock market crashes or inflation rises, the price of gold typically increases. This makes it a great hedge against inflation, which is something every retiree needs to consider. Your retirement savings are meant to last, and the rising cost of living can erode your purchasing power over time. But gold and silver, they keep their value, helping protect your wealth. Now, I know some of you might be considering other options like bonds or real estate. While those can be part of a balanced retirement strategy, they come with their own set of risks. Bonds may not offer the protection you need during inflationary times, and real estate is not as liquid as gold, meaning it can take time to sell if you need quick access to funds. Gold, on the other hand, is highly liquid and can be easily converted to cash when necessary. Gold IRAs specifically offer the added benefit of allowing you to invest in physical gold and silver while enjoying the tax advantages of a traditional IRA. This means you can diversify your retirement savings into tangible assets without worrying about capital gains tax eating away at your profits. In fact, using a gold IRA allows you to protect your retirement savings while growing your wealth, all in a tax-deferred account. Another key advantage of gold IRAs is that they're backed by real assets. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can lose value during market crashes, gold and silver retain intrinsic value. When you open a gold IRA, you're securing assets that will never lose their worth. This is especially important for retirees who need to ensure they have enough income during their retirement years. Now, I'm sure some of you are thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get started? If you're new to this, don't worry. Opening a gold IRA is easier than you might think. You can roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA, and there are professionals who specialize in helping people like you make the transition. This process is simple and can be done quickly, giving you the security you need for the future. If you want to get started and find out more, don't wait any longer. Click the first link in the description to access a free gold IRA guide and learn how thousands of retirees like you are securing their wealth with precious metals. And before we wrap up, if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if you have over $5 million in savings, this is the perfect solution for you. Gold IRAs are ideal for high net worth individuals who want to protect and grow their wealth. So, if that's you, don't hesitate to click the link and find out how you can start protecting your retirement today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.